Welcome to the STEENBRAS River Gorge on the Gordons Bay side of the False Bay coast in Cape Town. Right up ahead is the Pit Stop Lodge and Grill Shack restaurant. I'll put the link in the description. It's worthwhile going down and having a look. What we're looking at now is commonly known as crystal pools. You would need a permit to go up this lovely gorge and to enjoy the pools up there. I believe there's at least 3. The Clarence Drive area up ahead is often used in adverts and has been used as a movie set on one occasion that I'm aware of. For our foreigners, we could compare this drive to the Californian coastline from San Francisco to Los Angeles. The risk of fire in this area is very high, so in the summer, fires for cooking, braaivleis, as is commonly called in this country, is not allowed. And obviously those that are smoking ought to be very careful with cigarettes, disposing them safely.